Everything you're about to see in this video is fake, not because it's CGI, not because it's AI, but because your brain is changing it before you're even aware of it. Even as you stare at the screen, your brain is editing reality in real time. And the strangest part, you have absolutely no idea it's happening. If what I just said sounds impossible, you're not alone. Most people believe their eyes work like cameras, that they simply capture reality exactly as it is. But that's not how your brain works. In fact, right now, your brain is receiving an overwhelming flood of information. Colors, light, sound, movement, temperature, millions of tiny signals arriving every single second. If your brain tried to process every single detail, it would be overwhelmed almost instantly. So instead, it does something extraordinary. It predicts what reality should look like, then quietly fills in everything it expects to see, which means you're not seeing the world exactly as it exists. You're seeing your brain's best prediction of it. But why would your brain do something like this in the first place? The answer is surprisingly simple. Reality moves far too fast for your brain to process everything in real time. Every second, your eyes collect an enormous amount of visual information. Your ears capture thousands of sounds. Your skin senses temperature, pressure, and movement. Processing every tiny detail exactly as it arrives would take too long. Even a tiny delay could mean the difference between avoiding danger or walking straight into it. So instead of waiting, your brain predicts what's about to happen next. Then, a fraction of a second later, it compares that prediction with the information coming from your senses. If the prediction is close enough, your brain simply accepts it as reality. This isn't just a scientific theory. You've experienced it hundreds of times. Have you ever thought your phone vibrated only to discover it never did? Or heard someone call your name, but nobody was there? Maybe you've spotted a shadow in the corner of your eye, only for it to disappear when you look directly at it. These aren't random mistakes. They're predictions. Your brain is constantly trying to guess what's about to happen, and sometimes it guesses wrong. But most of the time, it gets it right. So right that you never even notice it's doing it. This is only the beginning of how your brain shapes reality. In the next video, we'll look at experiments that reveal just how much your mind can hide from you.